Yo, what is up, you guys? I'm back. I'm back. Cause no, what the fuck, man? Oh my god, they done said that I'm a legend. Oh my god, whatever. Anyways, we're back over here. We're playing some motherfucking something Xpress where I'm a mailman. Cause fuck. Anyways, alright, so we're gonna fight that white dude and that purple dude and that blue dude. Alright. Ugly face mace, man. That's what the fuck your girlfriend be saying about you. Ooh, shit. Hey, let's go. What you gonna do? You ugly as shit. You be looking like your mama. Oof. I'm on everybody's shit right now. Oof. Goddamn. He didn't even see that shit coming right there. Oh my god. Oh. Ah, man. I'm yawning like a motherfucker. I don't even care. I don't care about nothing. Bitch, I don't care about nothing. Fuck, I'm not doing that. That's dumb. Fuck, I guess I did that. I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have done that. That was such a waste of time. Fuck. Fuck, the yawn game is hard today. The yawn game is hard today. I'm tired, you guys. Low key, I'm a little tired. But I can deal with it, you know, because y'all some mark ass bitches. Ooh. I'll talk the most shit out of the crew, because I fucked your bitch. Ooh. God damn, I marked that fool shit. He wasn't even live to witness that shit. He was just like, oh fuck, that happened, huh? It was like, that happened as fuck. Oh, man. Ah, you see? Ah, man. Motherfucking, look at this fool. He got a upside dick on his chest. God damn. Upside down dick on his chest. It's fucking sad. It's horrible. It's horrible, you guys. It's horrible. It's horrible, I say. There's dicks on people's chests and shit. Dicks on chest in this game. Oh my gosh. Everything is just wrong. Damn, I murked them already? Jesus, that was too quick. That was a little too quick. Low key, that was a little too quick. Oh my gosh. My farts are killing me, you guys. My farts are killing me. Oh my god. They done said that I'm a legend. Oh my god. They done said that I'm a legend. Oh. No shit, that's game over. This motherfucker did not live. Oh. I was like, he did not live after that. Apparently he fucking did. Shut me the fuck up real quick. The best people say, God damn, this yawn game is hard, yo. Jesus. I'm yawning more than fucking your girl after you have sex. Ooh. Damn, this in your crew, bitch. Wait, what the? I can't. Oh my god, what a waste of. That was a waste of fuckery right there. I tell you what. Dude, that's not even fucking fair right there. Look, they're gonna get active right. Oh, right there, fuck it. I'll take that. Wait, what the hell? That was random. Oh shit. I just realized I'm about to die. Oh my god. Hold up. Get some life back up in here. Stone him. Burn him too. Shit. Oh shit. Boom. Boom, motherfuckers. Boom. That's what I call a little bit of the shake and a little bit of the bake. Shake and bake. Let's take another igloo on. But these motherfuckers don't even know what they coming to. Man, they don't even know. You know, Dylan the mailman Juarez is about to fuck they shit up. No. Like I said, this yawn game is hard, man. Fuck, seriously, you're legit. Look, upside down dick over here too. Shit. Look at these Asian beats right here. Sound like Wu-Tang Clan headed ass. Oh my gosh, this is game over for you guys. You guys, they don't even know right now. That was too much fire in one verse, yo. That was like Kendrick Lamar on one verse. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. Oof. I sub-zeroed that motherfucker real quick. Real quick. Oh, man. This yawn game, though, is really pissing me off, man. Because I'm not tired, you know. Well, I've been going to work earlier or whatever. Shit, like, yeah. Yup. I'm motherfucking ducking now and shit. Oh my gosh, this fool low-key looks like motherfucking... I don't know, he looks like some pig thing. This pig fuck. Bet you he be fucking pigs, this sick fuck. Hold up, I think someone's at the door. Hold up, you guys. This sick pig fuck. What's up, pig fuck? Shut your ugly ass up. It was my pig fucking cousin. Yeah, I got a few pig fucking cousins. You guys don't have one of those? Alright, I'm about to stun this bitch. This bitch game over. That should have been a KO as fuck. This ugly ass bitch. She looked like her name is fucking Sharkeisha. That was racist as shit. I won't lie. That was pretty racist as fuck. But do I give a fuck? Maybe. I didn't just do that, did I? Oh wait, hold up. Why didn't I do that? I'm an idiot. That was stupid of me. That was really stupid of me. That was a Sharkeisha right there. Nah, she ain't Sharkeisha. She does look like a girl that I went to middle school with. And that's shooting in any sense of the word. And damn, I just shot at this bitch hard. I shot on her hard as fuck. Just as hard as my dick. Ooh! Fuck, I done fucked that up. That's not fair, man. That's not what I meant to do. Fuck, man. Fuck. Can't let this fat bitch win. That's not the gate. That's not the way of the code. That's not the way of the G code. Oh my god. You fat fuck. Oh, I fucked up right there. Oh fuck. Oh shit, that's game over, you guys. That was like 1 trillion points right there. Oh my god, the battle was won. I'm gonna get a lot of coins. That's lame as fuck. I should have. Oh man. I'm tearing. What time is it? Nah, we're not gonna do this. Is gonna be a little short episode. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This has been the 4th episode of Adventure Xpress. Yeah, 4th episode of Adventure Xpress. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, shit, there's not much to say about this. Anyways, I will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. If you do decide to subscribe, that'd be awesome. Thank you to new people. If you do decide to like and comment, that'd be awesome too. If you do like and comment, I'll say hi to you in the next video. Hi, bye.